Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I will do a feathered peacock pose. And so before we begin, I always tell you the benefits. So I'll tell you the benefits. It builds strength in your arms, and it's a very nice balancing pose. But if you're a beginner, you just need a wall. So right now I have this with a wall, so I'm gonna show it with the wall, and I'll try to leave the wall and practice it without the wall, and you also practice it. And so let's begin. What are we waiting for? So first we'll do some stretches before we begin. So as beginners can't do it easily, so we need to do some stretches. So first, we just need to put one leg forward, and this should be down, like this, folded, like we fold the paper. And this should be pointed to the other side. So, now you have to stretch forward, and you can also try I'm just trying another stretch with this pose, so I'll do it. So first I have to come forward and kick my leg. If your other leg is coming up like this, so means you are a nice kicker and a jumper. So you can do it if you have. So first, we did our stretches, and we'll do a puppy pose. So you have to come down, down, and then we have to come forward, and then we have to put our chest down and stretch your hands. So like this, stretch your legs. So let's begin. We'll also do some exercises now to begin it. So for beginners, I'll start some exercises. So first, again, we'll kick. If your kick goes high, that means you can do it. And if you're doing it, you're very close to it, and you're trying it very, hardly, and very perfectly. You can just take someone's help to touch it to the wall, and or if you're doing it without support, you can. So let's start. We'll do it for the beginners. We'll kick high, but some people can't do it high, so we'll also do this. Kick, 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 and this leg should lift. Okay. Now the other leg. Now we'll have to bend it like this and kick it. Ooh, this is tiring. So let's do it now. Now the difficult part comes. Kick. So I have also two variations right now. So for beginners who are starting it, for stretching their legs up, they can straighten their legs and touch their other leg to the wall and start kicking like this. Then one day, if you are trying it very, aim your goal to do it. Aim your goal, and first first you have to learn this and then start with another. So first you have to aim at this goal. So first, I'll do it now. And this is the feathered peacock pose. I'm telling it again. So now I've never tried it without the wall support. So today I'm gonna try it for you. So first I need the wall support. Then I join my hands for a nice tight grip. Oh, this is very difficult. Oh my gosh, this is very difficult. But I'll try it for you if you tell me. Please tell it in the comment box. So steady by steady, if you learn this pose, you can also learn a handstand. See, because they are quite same in a feathered peacock pose, you just have to bend your legs and straighten your legs. And in a handstand, you just have to straighten your hands and that's it. See, in this, you just have to straighten your hands. See, you do it like this, peacock, and then you just have to do straighten your legs. Hands. Sorry, I just forget. So, if you like my video, please give a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe